I'm Ken from Shiitake. Now that we learned the basic inoculation work for log-grown shiitake mushrooms in the previous video, this time it'll be a continuation of the post-inoculation management that I explained briefly. For those who think, hey, I don't get what you're talking about, we recommend that you watch the video link in the description that appears when you press the title. The post-management inoculation video that I will talk about will consist 7 parts in total. I will upload the omniverse that will be put together at the end. If you're busy, we recommend you to watch only the omniverse. Since what we are going to talk about is an example of our cultivation method, we'll explain on the premise that you're a beginner and you can do all inoculation work. As I say every time, it's not a general theory because it is based on our individual opinions. So please make your own judgment. By the way, it's okay to listen to this while doing other work. Alright, let's go. At the end of the previous video, inoculation work, I explained the initial management after inoculation. This management is called first incubation. Since it is the most important in the cultivation of log-grown shiitake mushrooms, I will explain this first incubation as supplementing the previous content. First of all, the logs that have been inoculated can be placed vertically or horizontally. We'll stack them like firewood, which is the densest way of stacking logs. The reason for the way of stacking is to prevent the logs from drying out and getting cold below 0 degrees Celsius. When it dries or goes below 0, the activity of the spawn and mycelium almost stop. And in the most worst case, even though we have been spending a lot of time, the shiitake mushroom do not come out in the fall, like this. That really disappointed us. So I don't want you to experience it. We've had this kind of experiences many times and still have it. Don't fall into perfectionism. You won't be able to recover because you just look at the parts that failed. Let's think about the failure as a necessary thing. Anyways, after stacking the like firewood, moisturize it with a thin plastic sheet. The optimal environment for the spawn: no wind, low temperature, enough oxygen, darkness. We also explained that it is the burn that has these 4 environments. I will explain these 4 environments in more detail than last time. We said the first incubation is the most important because everything will be over when spawn dries here. Everyone takes care of oral babies, right? It is the same freshly inoculated log as that is newborn baby.